How to disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify. If you want to disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify, it is very simple to do so. Smart Shuffle gets enabled if you have got premium, and to disable it, you want to simply come to your library and go to a certain playlist where you'd like to disable it. Now, if you have Smart Shuffle enabled, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have this little star-like icons next to the shuffle icons, which indicates an AI icon. So this is what Smart Shuffle is all about. So if you want to disable it, you simply want to turn it off like this, and you can see Smart Shuffle recommendations have been removed. So if you turn it on, it's highlighted in green with this AI like generative icons, then it means that it's enabled. If it's turned off, it will show like this, and Smart Shuffle has been removed. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.